Hi, so the study that I chose to do for my lit review for this discussion board is called The Effects of Adding Multisensory Components to a Supplemental Reading Program on the Decoding Skills of Treatment Resistors. This is a study done in 2008 by Campbell, Heath, and Cook. The purpose of the study was to determine the effects of adding multisensory components to a supplemental reading program on the ability of young treatment resistors to master decoding skills. The study had 4 research questions. The first one was, what are the effects of adding multisensory components to the fluency of decoding VC and CVC nonsense words of second grade students identified as treatment resistors? The second question is, what are the effects of adding multisensory components on the fluency of sound recognition within VC and CVC nonsense words of second grade students identified as treatment resistors? The third question is, what are the effects of adding multisensory components on the oral reading fluency of grade level passages of second grade students identified as treatment resistors? And the last question is, what are the effects of adding multisensory components on the oral reading fluency of first grade passages of second grade students identified as treatment resistors? The dependent variables of the study are the correct number of words read per minute in phonetically regular vowel consonant VC words and consonant vowel consonant CVC nonsense words. The independent variables of the study are tapping out the words and tracing letters on a small carpet square. The IOA was collected in 20% of the sessions. The baseline correct words read per minute IOA was 95.2%, and the baseline IOA for correct sounds per minute was 97.8%. For the intervention, the correct words read per minute was 97.3%, and the correct sounds per minute was 98.3%. For treatment fidelity, baseline had a 12-item checklist, and the intervention had a 17-item checklist to ensure treatment fidelity. The results of the study showed that the participants had an increase in reading VC and CVC nonsense words after the introduction of the multisensory component intervention. The limitations of the study was that they only had 6 participants in the study, and it was also difficult to know if the teachers were following the intervention as it was written. There needs to be more research done to study the effects of multisensory component skills to assist children with reading and decoding skills. Thanks. Have a good day, guys.